Hey, how's it going? This is Grant Luna with Fidelity National Title. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a flyer that looks something like this using the Fidelity Agent 1 app. I stumbled upon it this weekend and thought it could be a good resource for you if you have a listing presentation, or maybe you're just looking for an easy piece to pass out to past clients or your sphere of influence. In essence, what it will show is a range of sales prices, the different net at close amounts for those sales prices. And to create this flyer, you will need the Fidelity Agent 1 app. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for an easy to follow setup guide. You can create an account and then follow along with this video. Step 1 will be creating a seller net sheet. And so to do that within Fidelity Agent 1, you want to make sure that you click the seller tab up at the top of the screen up here. And then all you really need to do is just enter in a simple net sheet. And so the main things you'll need to fill out are a sales price and the loan balance here. Obviously, you can change all of this data within this calculator, but if we're just looking for a simple example, those are the two pieces you need here. So I'll just quickly enter in a sales price just to show an example. You'll need a seller loan balance to show them what they'll net at close. It will bring in things like escrow fees and title fees automatically. You see here that I actually have an escrow pre-selected in my account, so it's going to populate those escrow fees every time based off that sales price. And so I could enter the loan balance as remaining for a client of mine if I know it. If I don't know it, all I have to do is click add address up at the top right here. And once you click add address, all you have to do is enter in a property address. And once you see it in the drop-down menu, just click on that address. Next, you'll see this home link menu appear. It's basically just trying to find the loan that's on file and help you calculate the remaining loan balance. First, it's going to find the property tax data for that property. Just click next. This is what we want to work with. It says what loan it found on file and the amount of that loan. So it found a loan on file from 2014 for $75,000. What you're trying to find is how much of this $75,000 is remaining to be paid off. Luckily, all you need to do is enter in an interest rate right here. It actually gives you the interest rate of the time this loan was funded in 2014. So it says the average interest rate at the time was 4.165. You can just put that in right here, hit compute. This will give you the estimated remaining loan balance. All you have to do is click use estimate and that'll be plugged into your net sheet calculator for you. So once you have this pretty much good to go, all you have to do is hit compute. Next, this net sheet will appear for you. Normally, if you're just trying to create a seller net sheet, you just click share print PDF right here and it'll create a net sheet that looks something like this. It's going to have all of the closing costs, title costs, transaction fees associated with that, and show someone what they'll net at close if they do sell for that sales price that you entered in that seller net sheet. But in this case, to create this flyer that looks at the different estimated ranges and the net at close amounts for those different ranges, you want to click this phone icon right here. And when you click that phone icon, this menu will appear. This will actually allow you to configure this flyer on the next step. So what you can change is the actual differences or the increments of that range. So let's say I wanted this to be a little bit of a bigger range. I can click this toggle right here. And now it gives me a menu where I can change the increments and the offer price. So let's say I wanted it to be $25,000 increments. I can click $25,000. I can also choose whether it shows just increasing dollar amounts or just decreasing dollar amounts, or both increasing and decreasing. So I can change that here. And I can click update. Now this will be generated for me, and all I have to do is click this share button right here at the bottom right. And now I'll have this flyer generated for me. So it's going to show me the different sales prices here, the net at close amounts, and this does include all of the escrow fees, title fees, loan fees associated. And it even says that here. So it says each scenario factors in closing costs, realtor commissions, and prorated taxes. The nice thing is you can just easily share this from your computer, so you can download it, email it, send it to your client, print it out for your next listing presentation. So this is just one of the many features that exists within Fidelity Agent 1 to hopefully make your real estate lives easier. There's a whole host of videos on my YouTube channel that you can look at if you're looking for other creative ways that you can start to reach out to homeowners in your area or your sphere of influence. If you have any real estate related questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video or email me at grantlunafidelity@gmail.com.